Hey guys, it's Nikki. So here is the third lecture or third tutorial of this series loop control structure, and in today's tutorial we will learn uh, about the do-while loop. Okay, so let's start it without wasting any time. So keep your eyes on this video till the end. Okay, and so let me explain first. So the do while loop in C programming will test the given condition at the end of the loop. So do while loop in C execute the statement or inside that is available inside the code block at least once if the given condition is fails. Okay, it means if we have any condition in the do while loop, if the condition is false then it will execute the code once. If the true, then condition limit reached out true, and then it continue the loop. If the condition is false, then it prints or execute the code block at least once. Okay, so as the syntax available on the display, so it means here, wait, oh sorry, do, and it is the body of loop. Okay, here it means statement first. If the loop or condition is true, then this execute the all the statements in the loop. If this false and condition is false, then it execute only once. Okay, and let me show you the flowchart for this do while loop, and after this I will show you a program or write a program for you all in the Visual Studio Code. So here is the flowchart for the do while loop that is available or showing on my display. So program starts from here. Program is starts from here. Then it initialize the value or the program calculation. Then it go to the body loop. Okay, body of loop, it means there is our loop is starts from initialize, then it is the body and increment, then test the condition. And if everything is going good or the true, then it will follow this path if true and go from again in the loop. It works in the loop again and again when the loop condition met. Okay, and if this is going false, then it follow this path and stop the program directly. Okay, but initialize or execute this word for once. Okay, so let me show you the program for this do while loop. So open your Visual Studio Code. So here, as you can see, the program is available on the display. I have already typed it. So it means here I have the two integers, that is first is variables, that is number, and the second is total, and its value is 0. Okay, and I print the or scan the integer number for the keyboard input, and our loop starts from here, and that is the loop body. And if total equal to total plus number, it means 0 plus number, given number, what number we will print in the loop. So printf function number equal to %d/n is used to new line, and then I print the number, and here I print the total because the total value is, it means if we enter any number like 3, then the loop is going continuously until it reaches this value 10. Okay, number is less than 10. Your number should be less than 10. It can be 9, and it could be 8, 7, 6, 5, whatever, but less than 10. Okay, and total, and we increment the number in the loop until it reached out this condition. Okay, And after this, if the condition wrong or not satisfied, then it print this once only. Okay, total value from outside the loop is percentage and the total. And so let's run this program. Okay, and it will ask for please enter any integer below 10. It means type any integer value below 10. So as I type 9, so oh wait, as I type 5, then it will initialize the or increment the value for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the 5 times. Okay, because our index is starts from 0. Okay, so from 0 to if we count the 10 time number from 0, it goes to and stop on the 9. So let's print enter 5, then it initialize 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so as you can see, number equal to 5, the total value is 5. And after this, it make addition of the all values that are given under the 5, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 7, and 7 addition 8, 8 addition 9, like this. So as you can see, number equal to 5 and total value is 5. Okay, then number 6 and the total value is 11. It means it add these two values, 6 plus 5, 11. And number equal to 7, total value is 18. It means 11 plus 7 is 18. And number 8 equal to the total value is 26. It means it making the addition of all these values, because we have used here increment over here in this program. And so it will do that in the loop. And if I enter 9, then it will show only it once, because after the 9 there is no number for the index. Our value is complete over here. Okay, the total value from outside the loop is 9. It execute it once, and if I enter the if I enter the value greater than 10, then it show only this once. Okay, and the same condition is going on while I enter the 9, because after the 9 on the number 9 our index has completed 0 to 9. It means it if I count them, it completely 10. Okay, so it print this. And if I type enter or the input and 8, then it add two value 9 and 8, 9 and 8. So answer will be 70. So do while loop is works like that. So I hope I can say that hopefully you all have understood this method or this do while loop in C. If yes, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. I will see you again in the next tutorial.